In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where WhatsApp isn't showing contact names and only showing phone numbers. So as you can see, I'm currently on WhatsApp and I don't see any contact names here, everything is just phone numbers. So how to fix this is you head over to the home screen on your iPhone, and then from here you need to find settings and click on this, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom here to find the WhatsApp application. Alternatively, you can just search for it in this search box here by typing in WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp from the list. Now right at the top you'll see contacts. You need to make sure this is turned on, and this is what's going to sync your contact names to your WhatsApp. So if you have this turned off, that will be the reason why you're not seeing any contact names. So now if I head back over to WhatsApp and then just give that a couple of seconds to refresh, you can see now that most of the contacts have updated where they have names next to them. Now, in order for a name to display in WhatsApp, you need to make sure you first have this contact added to your contact list. So you can do that just by heading over to your phone and making sure you have the contacts added in here. If that still doesn't solve the issue, another thing that you'll need to check is back inside of the settings window, and then scroll down and select screen time. Scroll down again and select content and privacy restrictions. Now, if you have content and privacy restrictions turned on, like I do, then you need to scroll down to privacy and select contacts. And just make sure that you have WhatsApp turned on inside of here. If WhatsApp is disabled like so, then that will be another reason why your contact names are not showing. Alternatively, you could just turn off content and privacy restrictions altogether, and that's also going to fix this issue. And that's it guys, by following all of the steps in this video, that's how you show contact names inside of WhatsApp. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.